Welcome to Law Tech Tips at Santa Clara Law. My name is Andrew, and today we'll be going over the SmartPrint printer installation, along with running a test print to make sure everything installed okay. Let's get into it. After you've connected to the SCU student wireless network on campus, open a browser and navigate to scu.edu/technology. Scroll down and click on Print File Sharing. In the middle of this page, you will want to click on Windows Software, or if you're using an Apple product, Mac OS X. Click the Windows SCU pop-up 9 for lte.exe to download the installer. When it finishes, go ahead and launch the file. If prompted with a security message, click on Yes, or in this case, More Info, and then Run Anyway. Then click the Install button. Download and install times will vary depending on your computer. Click on Finish to finalize, then let's verify the printer is installed properly. Go to Control Panel, sort by small icons, and select Devices and Printers. You should see SmartPrint BW Printer and SmartPrint Color Printer. Right-click on one of those and select Printer Properties, then hit the Print Test Page button. You should see a pop-up like this one, where you will enter in your SCU username, leaving out the @scu.edu. The Pharaohs client will check for updates, then go ahead and send the job. To ensure your job was sent without using any print money, you can verify at the SmartPrint Center by navigating to sp2.scu.edu. Log in using your SCU portal username and password. Then, on the next window, you should see your test page queued up. While you can release jobs using your access card, you can release a job right away on this page as well. Under Print Destination, click on the printer and select the Charney printer nearest to you, then click the Print button. You will see a payment confirmation page where you can click Confirm to finally send your job. Something else to note, you can upload jobs on this page as well, which is useful if you're printing from a mobile device or don't have the printers installed locally on your computer. Now you're all set to use SmartPrint while printing on campus. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, feel free to stop by our office in Charney Hall 111 or shoot us an email at lawhelpdesk@scu.edu.